This is cabin 8030A on the Voyages Valiant Lady. Get the fancy little wristband to open it up. Alright, so this is a balcony stateroom. This is in the very aft of the ship. Here we've already got a lot of our stuff in the room here, but got a little closet. Got some storage racks up there, and then there's some storage little things there. You get a little nice shiny curtain to cover it up, kind of like a real closet. In the corner here, you've got your light switches, and then this button here is like your privacy button. You turn it on, it turns a little red light on that sign outside, and then this one is when you're ready to have your room clean, which we just learned from our stateroom attendant Douglas, who is very kind. And then you do have a little closet here that's got some little drawers. Your safe is in here as well, and you got your life jackets. Hopefully you don't need those. All right, so got the bed, got a little nightstand. There's a couple of little hooks up here to hang things, which I have hung my purses on. There are outlets here by the bed, and this is kind of like a movable tray. I've got all my stuff on it right now, but you can kind of move it along this seat. It's kind of interesting because this bed, like the side of it looks like a couch, but it's not. There's not a couch. You got your TV right across from the bed here. And then there are a couple of full-length mirrors in the room. So there's one next to this closet space here. That's one thing that we've noticed. There is a bit of storage in the room, but it's not a ton. You can fit things under the bed. You can see we've got our suitcase under the bed there. And then you've got these 3 lights over the bed. You can switch those on and off. And then there's this kind of platform thing over here. And that drawer, that is a drawer right there. So it does pull out. Yeah. So that is another little storage space. So our stuff is kind of everywhere in here. But you've got a little movable table with your little chair in the corner. But that's kind of the only extra seating outside of the little chair, which is under the vanity here. Hi, Matthew. you got your mirror here. Got your mirror here. And then this is kind of a neat feature. All of our stuff is crowding the desk over here, but you do have a desk. And then you have this fancy little tablet, which controls your TV. It controls your room. It controls all the things. It controls the lights. You got your TV button. You got all your light buttons. And then this even, let's see if we can show that there. This even does your curtains. So you press that one, curtains close, that one, curtains open. And then down at the bottom, you've got room controls. So you can dim the lights, turn them up, ambient lighting. You can handle the temperature. And then you've got all of your TV stuff there. You can pick movies. You can also request services from the team. He said, so this is another neat thing here. They have little carafes of water available for you in the stateroom. And if they service the room, he said they service the room once a day. But if you need anything like more water or towels or anything like that, after they service the room, you can request that on the tablet. And then as far as storage, there is some more storage down here, a couple of little shelves. And then you've got your little fridge down here. And it is more of a beverage cooler, it seems. It doesn't get extremely cold. Oh no, there's wine in our fridge.
How'd that get there?
How'd that get there? You can bring 2 bottles of wine on per stateroom, 1 per adult, so we took advantage of that. I don't actually know what this guy is.
It's a pool toy.
He's something. We have not explored that.
Don't you hide it somewhere on the ship, and then if somebody finds it, they get to keep it? And
what is it?
is it not like
Ink wants to occupy space in your heart. $12 and
Oh, so if you steal it, that's $12 on your bill.
Aha. Interesting. So it's like a pool toy thing, but
squeezy toy.
I guess if you take it, you do have to.
Maybe your dog can eat it, you know, when you take it.
You do have to pay for it. I love the curtains here, or the sheer ones. They're a pretty color. But the balcony out here is a very good size. So there's a pretty good amount of space. Let's walk out here for a second. Anytime you'll see this little sign here, anytime you unlock or open the door, your air conditioning does turn off. But the balcony does have a pretty good amount of space. This is the amount of space between the door and the edge. And then in the corner on your balcony staterooms, you have your hammock. Let's see. Does Matthew want to sit in the hammock? You can kind of bring it down and then you just twist it up to put it back the other way. There's some live music going on at the, oh dear, that's not how it works at all.
Oh boy.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm stuck in my sailor bracelet.
Look at this, everybody. Matthew is stuck to the hammock. So this stateroom does have a little bit of an obstructed view. You've got the lifeboats there, but you do have a nice view out here. And over there in the back is one of the little bar lounges. Here he is. Now he's got it. Matthew hanging out on the hammock over here, looking just chill as can be.